Are you looking for the best small circular saws? In this video we will look at some of the best small circular saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Makita SH02R1. This complete Makita compact saw kit is cordless, which means you can use it anywhere. This freedom is enhanced by the sturdy carrying case that is included with the saw. The saw's energy is supplied by a lithium-ion battery that powers the motor and generates 1,500 RPM. This isn't at the higher end when it comes to compact saws, but it means the saw is suitable for cutting precise angles. It has an adjustable cutting depth of 1 inch when set at 90 degrees and 0.62 inches at 45 degrees. It also has a tilting base for bevel cuts, making it an excellent option for cutting more complicated angles. Number 2. Enventor Mini. The Inventor compact circular saw might be exactly the tool you need if you are a construction worker. Not only is it compact and easy to take to job sites, but it also has multiple useful features and accessories. It has a red laser guide to ensure precise and accurate cuts. It includes 6 blades for various materials, with 2 each of TCT blades, HSS blades, and diamond blades. These different blades will let you cut through wood, tiles, metal, and plastic. This saw is suitable for prolonged use throughout the day thanks to its comfortable handle grip. It is also fully equipped with a safety trigger to protect you during use while providing precise control. As well as being suitable for various materials, this saw also offers an adjustable cutting angle and depth. The cutting depth varies between 1 and 11/16 th of an inch at 90 degrees and 1 1/8 of an inch at 45 degrees. Number 3. Rockwell RK3441K. This Rockwell compact circular saw is lightweight at just 5 pounds, which is about half as heavy as some of its competitors. It has a left-handed blade design to ensure you have a clear view of the line you are cutting. The saw is primarily designed to cut wood, which it will make short work of thanks to its 3,500 RPM motor. If you regularly need to cut wooden boards for furniture or other pieces, this saw will be very suitable. This model has a maximum cutting depth of 1.69 inches, which is standard for a compact circular saw. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to maintain control, even when making awkward cuts high on a wall or ceiling. Having the blade mounted on the left-hand side provides clearer visibility and helps you maintain your line of sight. You should notice the benefits when cutting large boards and intricate angles for framing and other woodwork. Number 4. WORX WX429L. This Worx saw is one of the best compact woodworking saws we have seen. However, its adjustable parallel gauge and bevel adjuster mean this is our choice for best saw for framing. These features will help you make precise cuts, even if you need to make them at unusual angles. They also provide easy adjustment, which will help you complete complex tasks with minimal fuss. It has a maximum cutting depth of 2 inches, which means it can saw through 2x4 in a single sweep. If you need to make window or door frames, you can be confident that this compact saw won't let you down. A saw that can be easily adjusted to cut at different angles is invaluable for complicated woodworking jobs. This model helps you cut straight lines with its parallel guide, and can be adjusted to cut at a 45-degree angle. Number 5. ARIAPER Mini. You don't need to spend a fortune to buy an effective mini circular saw. This ARIAPER model is a budget-friendly option, but it still has plenty of power to cut various materials. The impressive cutting power is thanks to its 696-watt motor and 766V blade. It can be used to cut various materials including plastic, PVC, and wood. With an ergonomic, comfortable design, you will be able to use this saw to cut one-handed. This will leave your other hand free for tasks such as supporting yourself or holding the stock you are cutting. This saw has a slim, ergonomic design that provides a secure grip to reduce hand fatigue. This ease of use is enhanced by the saw's weight of just 7.06 pounds.